These look like those old desktop games. Yeah, let's play some basketball. She's ready.
What's happening?
It's so loud. It is so loud.
Everything.
Okay, I need to turn this down. He's the design looks like the Bill Cosby show.
The J is in the house.
Not to bring him up or anything.
A lot of
On the court today are the hot doggers
Yeah.
versus the ball hogs.
Boo.
what you got.
Here we are.
I'm ready to play.
first quarter.
Where am I at?
They'll
Which
get
one
a
am I?
shot
Which
clock.
one am I at?
Ricky strips the ball.
Oh, I see. Shoot it. Shoot it. Which button is to shoot it?
They'll get a new shot clock.
What? Wait. Okay. Come back over here. Where am I?
Kenny hands it off.
Where am I?
Like it was on sale.
That's good.
This is going terribly.
Shot goes up.
They aren't missing.
Give it.
Where am I? Alright, come on, Ricky.
Watch where you throw those
Let's do
elbows.
it.
Cross up. And another cross
Still
up.
dribbling.
Going for a three.
That's right.
How do I shoot it? How do I shoot it?
Let's go.
How do I shoot it? Let's just pass it.
Let's see some tenacious D.
I just don't. Back to Ricky. We're doing it again.
Let's see some tenacious
Get off me, Carl. From Jimmy Neutron.
moves than jelly on a train.
Let's go.
Basketball.
Alright. Let's do it again.
Ricky
Let's go,
gets the
guys.
shot off.
Oh.
Ricky strips the
Oh.
ball.
Right there. Go, Ricky.
Ricky fires. Missed the shot.
Let's go to this one over here.
Let's go, guys.
Let's go, Pete. I didn't mean to pass it, but I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. We need some ground back. We need some ground back.
Ricky
Oh, good
shot
shot.
goes up.
That's it right there. Now I figured it out.
That's good.
That shot
All right,
ought to
Ricky.
be hanging in the
We need some
museum of
clutch here.
art.
It's,
Double team. Screen.
what did I just do?
Hi, you.
Foul line.
No.
Ronnie gets the shot off.
Oh wait, I got
Looks
fouled. I
good.
got fouled. I got fouled. I got fouled.
Ronnie with
We
the ball.
clearly need to rebound.
Ronnie.
I figured out how to shoot.
Go,
I'm gonna be unstoppable.
You go, team.
Ronnie fires.
Yeah. I mean, I'm just gonna be unstoppable now. Get him, Ronnie. Get him, Ronnie. Get him, Ronnie.
Dimitri.
No.
Go. I see
Top
two.
score.
End of the first. That's okay. Hey, that's not a bad showing at all. That's not a bad showing. Come on. Come on, Ricky.
Let's go, dudes.
This is a pick.
That's it right there. That's money. Whoa!
Shot or did a
Me.
bird just crash land?
Oh! From downtown!
End of the first
Wait, that was the
quarter.
game?
Score is the Hot Doggers 7, the Ball Hogs 11.
That's kind of poetic that the hot doggers got 7-Eleven.
Sail.
You can do it, guys.
Oh no!
I failed
Easy
on
and
my
layup.
head.
And quite
Oh, go, 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 go!
That
Oh wait,
kid's cooler than
Carl got it.
Frosty McCool.
Get the ball, get the ball, get the ball, get the ball!
Dimitri lays it up.
Ah,
Jocinda
No!
lets it go. They'll get a new shot clock.
Stop!
No good. Rebound
Oh
by
my-
Benny. That's good.
My team has to get
Ronnie with the
open!
ball.
Pete,
Jocinda will take the ball. They'll get a new shot clock.
good defense, Ricky!
They'll get a new
What?
shot clock. Stolen by Jocinda.
Get back!
Dimitri puts it up.
No,
Good.
dude!
Go. Which way?
Alright, 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 alright.
Come on, ref.
Right here.
Ricky will take the ball.
Back to him.
Vamos.
Alright, we need some ground. Good shot!
Let's
go.
What?
Ronnie gets tagged with the foul.
No, dude. Ricky, get back in here!
Let's see some tenacious
Where do I
D.
go?
Get the ball!
Steals
Go,
the
go, go,
ball.
go, go!
Jocinda.
What?
Dunk.
No, dude.
Shot three.
What was that?
They'll get a new shot clock.
Get swatted! Go, go, go!
From behind the arc.
Looks good to me.
Get out of my way! Dude,
Shit.
A little layup.
no chance!
Ooh, Sonny girl, that shot was so
Ronnie
Over him.
keeps dribbling.
Ow.
Ronnie.
What was that
Get
pass?
a new shot clock.
You suck! Get off of him.
Dimitri pulls up and fires a three. The three won't
Dude,
fall.
Was that a
Carl
shot or did
needs
a
to be
bird
stopped.
just crash
Carl
land?
Wheezer's nasty. Go, 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 go.
Do it.
To him. Pass it up. You have to keep running, Pete!
Got serious skills.
Hi, you.
Shot clock.
I didn't mean to go out of bounds.
I am in need.
That has to go in.
The shot off.
Let's go.
Rebound.
Hesitated, contemplated, and finally validated the shot, baby.
Let's go.
Giving it up like it was on sale.
I knew it.
Dimitri.
As soon as I switched him, Carl Wheezer was open.
Ronnie gives it up.
Why are you going out of bounds, Ricky?
Ricky shoots it.
Let's go, Ricky. You're carrying this team.
Dimitri rifles
All
it.
right.
Let's go.
She swatted me!
Keep it together. Yippee! Heals the ball.
From downtown.
3 if it's good.
Let's go!
Hi, you.
I need...
Dimitri, easy.
I hate this
2
game.
points. Ronnie with the ball.
This is stupid.
Ricky will take the ball.
Go, Ricky!
You can do it, guys.
Get off of me, Carl Wheezer! He's not getting off!
Ricky.
Come on!
The 3 won't
That looked like it was in. That looked like it was in.
Shot, or did a bird just crash land?
Give me that ball.
Ronnie hands it off.
That was off the other guy, though. No, it wasn't! That was off the other guy!
He will take the ball. Ricky.
She swatted me!
Penny has it. Penny passes the
That's
ball.
out on them. That's out on them. Yeah, yeah,
It
yeah.
was on sale.
Ricky!
Pete dishes it.
Dishing it out like ice cream.
Dude, Carl Wheezer isn't leaving me alone. From downtown.
Pulls up and fires a 3.
Hi.
Ricky, you need to be hitting those. No! Get on him, Ronnie!
Dimitri shoots it.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Pokes it in. Dimitri
Dude,
grabs the rebound.
we need these. We need these. We need these rebounds. Get the ball.
Dimitri.
No. Okay, out on her. Out on her.
Out of bounds.
Gotta keep your eyes on the ball.
Carl Wheezer, you got to be better than that.
Hello.
What are you doing, Ricky?
Out of bounds.
I failed.
I didn't mean to throw it to him. I meant to get him off of. He was stuck.
Penny passes the ball. Joseph
No.
the ball.
Out on them. Out on them. Out on them.
Go.
that ball.
Out of bounds.
Give it to Ricky. Go.
Stolen by Cinda.
Get swatted.
Shot goes up.
You
Joseph
can
No. Dude, they don't miss. He's got the speeders on.
Dimitri.
Oh, no.
They'll get a new shot clock. The 3 won't
They just
fall.
don't miss.
Get that ball. Come on, you guys.
Out of bounds.
Ricky, I swear to God, stop going out of bounds.
Cause somebody just activated the magnet steel.
They'll get a new shot.
Stop!
Takes the 3.
Oh my.
Dishing it out like
That has to be in 2.
He fires.
That wasn't in?
Can do
Was
it.
that a shot or did a bird just crash land?
He shoots.
What?
Get that ball.
Pete, you suck! No, I stole that from her.
Dimitri takes the 3.
Rebound.
They'll get a new shot clock. And get
Carl Wheezer sucks. Carl Wheezer sucks so bad. Get that ball, Pete. Pete!
Jocinda pulls up and fires.
Oh my.
Ricky.
What are you doing, Ricky? Why are we in slow motion? Ricky! Why are you in slow motion?
Jocinda still
This
dribbling.
game's broken.
Go, team.
Nobody's doing anything.
You can do it, guys.
This game's dumb.
Good.
Missed the 3. Well, folks, this one is a wrap.
Hang him up.
It's too bad.
The team's
one of these
disbanding. You
kids
guys
had to come up
suck.
with a fuzzy
Now, I can't confirm if this is by the same developer or not, but I'm still not going to confirm it. I'm just going to say it is because they were right next to each other and they look like the same game. Let's play a game. I have a good feeling that this is the
Hello, all
same
you
developer.
backyards, where we're going to see the inky squids take on the abominable llamas. It's
Inky
game time,
squids.
So let's
Yeah.
go. Bartender.
The boys. Oh, whoa, 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 okay.
To the circle to face off with Dimitri Petrov.
This is so much faster paced than the basketball one.
Gets the rebound. The squids.
What? I don't where am I? Which team am I on? I don't even know which goal am I supposed to be scoring in. Am I purple? Oh, I'm purple. I gotta go this way. Get off.
The secret of good passing is knowing
Oh, get juked. Oh, my guy.
Dimitri Petrovic has it now and heads up the ice.
Okay.
Picture
All right, I'm feeling this one a little bit more. Oh no!
Brings it up the ice.
This guy needs to get in the game. There's a guy on our team who's just not even playing.
Control the puck. The puck
Wait, did
is
we-
frozen.
Where's our...
Things rolling again with a face-off.
Who's got the puck?
He shoots.
No! I'm actually still not 100% sure. Okay, yeah, I am the purple team. Okay. I have one player who's just not playing the game. Like, cut it. I like it.
Passing machine.
He comes away with it. Kenny.
Let's go. Let's go, Kenny.
First goal of the game.
That's what I'm talking about.
Puck there.
Pete Wheeler.
Oh, that was money. Dude, my team's cooking.
Passing there. Picture perfect puck passing.
She takes it. She drills one. Nice job.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. In your net.
Perfect puck passing.
I don't... Why are all these passes? I'm trying to shoot it.
Moving up the ice.
Oh, I wound that one up.
Hold the puck.
Fancy passing there.
Mike Madonna has it. Here he comes. with
Go, Kenny.
a shot.
Kenny's my shooter. I meant to pass that, but that's alright.
Thing out.
A player is down.
Oh, you're so lucky.
Hey, nice pass.
No, I passed it backwards.
And that's it.
Okay, that's a good period. That's a good one. That's alright. I had 10 saves versus their 1, but, you know.
The first period has come.
That
to a
doesn't
close.
show anything.
Petrovich.
You gotta know where the...
Oh, you're lucky. You're so lucky. No!
Make their move.
My teammate's just not even playing.
With the blast.
I have somebody just sitting off to the side.
Good passing there.
He blasts one.
Help, give him the goalie some help! Come on. No.
Take control. He brings it up the ice.
This team is making all...
Let's go! Kenny's back at it.
Woo, this one's too
Good stuff, Kenny.
blood, I think.
That's a good one. That's a good period right there.
Squids control the puck. Pete Wheeler has it now and
Let's go! Right off the bat, Pete Wheeler. Pete's back at it. I remember Pete.
To be up.
Watch out. Watch out.
shoots.
Go, Kenny.
Player is down. Kenny Kawaguchi.
Let's go, Kenny. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Pete. Let's go, Pete. Cross him up. Boom! That's what I'm talking about, Pete.
Second goal of the game.
I can't...
Oh, they really picked it up here in the second half.
Face-off.
What happened?
There's a guy named Mike on my team?
This team's like a...
Since when?
Sonny.
He killed my player. That doesn't count.
Player is down.
You gotta take care of that puck, Sonny. It'll take care of you.
It's a good chance. It's a good chance.
Passing there.
Come on, Pete. Come on.
She blasts one. Llamas control the puck.
You hate to see it come to this.
Wait, what
but
happened?
Sometimes there's no other way to resolve things.
Wait, what? What happened? What happened? Oh, wait, what is this? Oh, okay, I see. I have to rock, paper, scissors them. Okay. This is tough, but middle one.
I don't Paper beats rock.
Let's go. Let's go.
Face off with Dmitry Petrovich. A shot by
What in the heck? What's going on? Mike, back to back. Let's go, Mike. Let's get you a hat trick.
Can't beat 'em, Sonny. Just killing 'em. You gotta take care
Come on, come on. There we go. Okay.
Llamas,
One more.
with a look at the
One more.
stars of the game.
Thanks, Sonny. Today's third
Wait,
star
what is
of the game
this?
is Curtis Joseph. Today's second
Kenny is
star of
on
the game
fire.
is Kenny Kawaguchi.
Kenny's the best one on the
Today's
court.
first star of the
What is it?
game
On the
I
rink?
think that'll do it. I'm Sunny Day for Buddy Check and
Oh, wait,
the
that was
whole
it?
Backyard crew. Bye-bye.
There's only 3? Okay. That was it.